Guys, we're back at it again with another video. It's Team as that. We're going to make French toast omelette. So what we have here is some eggs, two eggs only. We got parsley, we got asparagus, thin sliced tomatoes, as you guys can see over here. We got two toasts, salt, pepper, fromage cheese. Obviously it's shredded. And we got here some spice if you guys want, red pepper spice crushed. And now we're about to start our process. So we have here is the butter on the pan, and we made it on the temperature medium because we don't want to burn the butter. And we got some asparagus. As you guys can see, it's only the top part of the asparagus. And just keep mixing it until it's cooked. Add shredded cheese. Woo! That's beautiful, guys. Unbelievable. This is beautiful. If you guys want more videos like this, just look at this flip, please. Fantastic man over here. Ooh. And look at that, guys. Look at the toast, nice and crispy, nice and toasty. That's what I call a nice toast. French toast omelette, beautiful. Okay guys, now I'm going to do some asparagus saute. So this butter, I'm trying to cook our asparagus. Guys, and this is so healthy for you guys. And it's also useful for keto diet. Guys, now we have a final finesse. Look at the finesse on this plate. We got our French toast omelette. Guys, this is beautiful. We got the asparagus, we got some carrot, you know. If you guys want to know how I sliced my carrot like this, upcoming video. And we got, oh my god, the best part of it all. French toast. Look at the cheese, please. French toast omelette. Guys, you want to see me? That's amazing, guys. You guys want some more of this? You want more videos like this? Just please try this. And you guys can keep begging me to make more new videos. Guys, Join the Team Mazat Squad, subscribe, like and share for more videos, and peace.